Mucinex DM Maximum Strength 12-hour cough and chest congestion medicine. Product details.
Maximum Strength Mucinex DM Extended Release Bi-Layer Tablets provide powerful symptom relief.
The product controls cough, relieves chest congestion, thins and loosens mucus and lasts for 12 hours. It contains a unique bi-layer tablet, one layer for immediate release and one layer for extended release, so the medicine starts to release right away and lasts for up to 12 hours, so you can say goodbye to retaking medicine every 4 hours. Mucinex is the #1 cold and cough brand doctors trust for themselves and their families, and the #1 pharmacist recommended brand as well. This product contains 42 tablets. It can be used by adults and children 12 years of age and over. Key symptoms relieved. Maximum strength Mucinex DM Extended Release Bi-Layer Tablets control cough. Relieve chest congestion and thin and loosen mucus. Active ingredients, contains guaifenesin, which is an expectorant that relieves chest congestion and thins and loosens mucus, making cough more productive, and dextromethorphan HBr, which acts as a cough suppressant. Use as directed. Maximum Strength Mucinex DM Cough and Chest Congestion Medicine, clinically proven to last up to 12 hours to control cough and provide relief for your severe chest congestion. Powerful symptom relief. Maximum Strength Mucinex 12 German Marks Hour controls cough, relieves chest congestion and thins and loosens mucus. Bi-layer tablet, a unique bi-layer tablet, one layer for immediate release and one layer for extended release, so the medicine starts to release right away and last for up to 12 hours. #1 trusted cold and cough brand. #1 cold and cough brand doctors trust for themselves and their families, and #1 pharmacist recommended brand. Continuous relief. Maximum strength Mucinex DM lasts up to 12 hours, so you can say goodbye to retaking medicine every 4 hours. Active ingredient, contains guaifenesin, which is an expectorant that relieves chest congestion and thins and loosens mucus, making cough more productive, and dextromethorphan HBr, which acts as a cough suppressant. Usage, use as directed, adults and children 12 years of age and over.